This video demonstrates how to change the toner cartridge in a Brother HL-2240 black and white laser printer. This is the printer. You'll see on the top HL-2240. It's a wonderful little workhorse of a monochrome laser printer, black and white. Alright, step one is to open the front. Very little force needed to pop that open. And here's the toner cartridge. Pulls right out. Now this is the Brother brand, much more expensive than the third-party toner cartridges you can purchase. This is also the toner cartridge and the drum. So what you need to do, push this little green lever right there, and then the toner cartridge itself pops out. So there's the toner cartridge. Now I purchased this third-party product from 247inktoner.com. Probably saved 50% on the purchase. Here's the toner cartridge. Pop that little guy off. And just the way the Brother went in, hold the handle. This slips right in there. Clicks into place. Pop the front open. And these little tabs right here help you guide it right in. Click. Voila. That simple. Turn it on. It will take a couple minutes to calibrate. First time it's turned on, and then you're off and running.